In 1824, Captain John B. Seeley described Ellora for Western readers, but he did not rediscover it. Ellora was never lost to those who lived, worshipped, traded, and traveled through this landscape. What Seeley encountered at Cave 16 was Kailasa, the largest single monolithic excavation in the world. Ellora stood beside routes that carried travelers, rulers, merchants, pilgrims, and ideas across the Deccan. Ellora connected through Pathan to a wider north-south network running via Mahishmati toward Ujjain. No reliable cost ledger survives. Modern estimates mislead.
Behold, O king, the blueprint for the ages.
This reward symbolizes royal patronage, not documented payment. The real cost was labor, tools, food, and time. A later inscription praised the temple so intensely that it imagined even its architect astonished by the finished work. Generated, not a facsimile. Karka's Baroda plate is later evidence, not eyewitness testimony. One modern route begins at Mumbai's International Airport before turning northeast across Maharashtra. The map crosses the Western Ghats and Deccan Plateau toward Aurangabad. Today, officially, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. The modern city is Ellora's gateway. This generated street is illustrative. Its signs are not evidence. From the city, the final road leg turns northwest toward Veral and the cave escarpment. The stone story began about 65 million years ago, when Deccan lava hardened into stacked basalt flows. Ellora spans more than 2 kilometers, 34 celebrated sanctuaries within a larger sacred landscape. Buddhist, Hindu, and Jain communities worked here across centuries, in a region whose human occupation reaches deep into prehistory. This is architecture by subtraction: courtyards, towers, bridges, halls, and sculpture released from one basalt mass. Before the first blow, the chief architect had to see the temple inside the mountain, then turn that vision into geometry. Before carving, builders read the rock. Its horizontal flows, vertical joints, and the fine-grained beds fit for sculpture. The challenge was not simply weight. It was controlling geometry at the scale of a mountain. The excavation logic began high, isolating the future temple from the surrounding cliff. Deep trenches established the outer boundaries. Every error removed stone that could never be replaced. Teams attacked different faces, turning measurement into a daily discipline of hammers, chisels, and checking. Broken basalt then had to leave the trench basket by basket, load after load. A second craft followed the first, refining planes, edges, skin, jewelry, fabric, and expression. Inside the dimmer passages, torchlight made every decision local, slow, and irreversible. Elephants carved around the plinth make the mountain seem borne by a living procession. The final structure does not imitate a building. It turns the original hill itself into architecture. At its sacred center, Kailasa is dedicated to Shiva, the mountain released as temple. A later legend casts Aurangzeb's documented visit in a darker light. In that telling, an imperial order sends laborers against the stone. A general raises his hand, and the attack stops. The monument saved, in legend, at the last possible moment. A broken elephant trunk becomes the legend's supposed scar. It is a powerful image, not proof. Now, the record. Aurangzeb visited Ellora, but no reliable historical evidence shows that he ordered Kailasa destroyed. Kailasa endured because generations kept returning, worshipping, remembering, repairing, and preserving. Today, conservation begins with restraint, cleaning stone, without erasing the marks that make it historical evidence. Laser surveying can create a measurable record, allowing change to be compared over time. This collar illustrates a stabilization method. It is not verified as an intervention used on this Ellora pillar. Seepage and cracking are documented. Conservation risks at Ellora.
Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. This wonder never ceases to amaze.